Today we're unboxing the Seiko Presage HCC008J1, a beautiful limited edition inspired by traditional Japanese craftsmanship. And as a special touch, you even get a piece of authentic Tomioka silk included in the box. Inside beats Seiko's in-house 6R51 automatic movement, offering an impressive 72-hour power reserve. The textured white dial is inspired by Tomioka silk, giving the watch a refined look that changes beautifully in the light. And here is your piece of authentic Tomioka silk. If you're looking for an elegant everyday dress watch with a unique story, this is definitely one to consider. Would you add this Seiko Presage to your collection? Let me know in the comments below.